Hey, yo, you want some farm fresh eggs? We got an egg dealer, and they'll hook you right up.
They're really nice people, aren't they, Willifrida?
Yeah, we're using 6 of their eggs to make this birthday cake for Bridget. We'll tell you their story in a little bit. We separate the eggs outside the bowl in case a yolk bursts.
Right, this way if it breaks in here and doesn't ruin everything. Like this just broke in my hand. But not in there.
Big Val's wearing a glove today because last night she gave Fat Sam a bath. Guess who doesn't like baths? Add in half a teaspoon of cream of tartar and whisk to stiff bits. Clouds form on top and the whisk leaves a mountain peak. Whisk in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Power! Ha! Oh, she did not just snatch our fruit. That peach is part of my aesthetic. Let's flank her on both sides. I'll cast a gravity hula hoop and you work your razzle dazzle. That peach is coming home. Pour it into another bowl and whisk the yolks with half a cup of powdered sugar. We forgot to add a 1/3 cup of powdered sugar with the whites, so we'll just add it in here. Oops. Whisk it to the ribbon stage. See how it leaves a ribbon trail before sinking back into the batter? Bungledorf's got a head start, but she doesn't have us. Let's butter this chase and toast it golden, Jessie. Aye, aye, Captain. Engines are hot, glitter cannons are loaded. And frosting stabilizers are online. She's in my ship, so I know exactly where the gumdrop fuel cells fail. Perfect! We need to get this clown with the sticky stringer zany zapper. And this is the important part for how your cake rises. All that air we whisked in will expand in the oven. The cake flour and powdered sugar will help give it structure. Gently fold it all in. Keep that air in there. Ungrease pan. The batter needs the dry edge to climb up as the air expands. And the skewer helps to get it into the corner. Place it in the middle of the oven and bake for 30 to 33 minutes. Then hang it upside down and let it cool all the way. About an hour, which is forever in our book. Oh, fudge! Where's the glitter extractor? Where's the deflector spatula? I can't see a thing with these goggles on! Ah! Oh, that's better. Oh, who needs a steering wheel? Why is the glitter extractor blinking? I don't know. I'm so confused. Steady, steady. Zany zapper, engage. Cut into cubes about 1 pound of strawberries. This is for the easy filling between the layers, and cubes make cutting the cake a lot easier. Get out all that white part because it's bitter. Stefan is the husband of Bridget, and this is their family house. His grandma worked in the cafeteria of Chicago public schools. His mom, Edith, is a professor and teacher of those preschooler mini-humans. He's a school principal. This is where they all grew up, and the whole family's involved. Nieces, nephews, cousins. Warm strawberry jam is easier to mix in. Even the chickens are related. Time to sparkle, you snatcher! Whoa! That's like being attacked by a glitter hurricane! roller skates even. Whoa! The peach! She's gonna lose it! The strawberry crunch topping is 24 golden sandwich cookies, crushed. We like to use a bag because it leaves bigger golden chunks. Strawberry jello and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We didn't realize Big Val got the double stuffing one, so we're adding in the last cookies in the package to get the right crunch consistency. So the whole family wants to give back to the community. It's an act of kindness. And our farm fresh egg hookup. We're gonna go get our garden ceilings here next year.
Warning, cargo bay integrity failing.
Shut it, you bleep bleep! Engage emergency peach seatbelt!
Also, you are a hot mess.
Time to turn up the disco and the drama. By the power of pastry and the grace of glitter, reveal what's hidden. Our whipped cream frosting is heat stable too, but you shouldn't leave dairy product out for more than 2 hours. Again, to stiff peaks, add in 5 tablespoons of strawberry instant pudding. We use strawberry milkshake flavor because, well, Frida's cool. 3 drops of pink food gel. No, I don't! No, I don't! No, I don't! It's not in there! No, no, no! No, no! You see nothing! No! Oh, sugar plums! She has the eggs too! Change of plan, Chessie! Take the wheel! I'm going in. I think I can drive this. Dad blast it, Bungledorf! Hand over the peach, or I'll stuff you in a strudel. Run a spatula around the edge and the center tubey thing. And now we get to put it all together. Cut it in half. We hold the knife level and turn the cake. Gently guide it to the center. You don't have to put any pressure at all. It just goes there. We pipe the frosting because this cake is super crumbly. Make a dam around the edges for the filling. The filling and the frosting are sort of like a middle layer all its own. I thought my dryer ate all my odd socks. Oh! What? We didn't make too much of a mess this way. We filled the middle hole too with the rest of the crunch. But it needs more pizzazz. There was 1 tablespoon of strawberry milkshake pudding left. Plus a cup of heavy cream and sugar. Little bit of food gel. Even chilling out in the fridge. It's calling your name. Crap! Crap-ola! Stupid sparkly sky clowns! Hey! That's me. You loonies! Say that again, and I'll launch you into the Jam Nebula, Buckethead. That's right, baby. The peach is back where it belongs.
I know.
Now that was a treat. I'm gonna need a spa day and cheesecake stuffed with pecan pie. Oh, honey, you read my mind. But first, group photo with the peach. Say, glitter theft failed. Glitter theft failed. You loonies, you stupid sparkly loonies.